Welcome to MxApprove, where you can approve IBM Maximo workflow assignments such as purchase requisitions, invoices, and work orders on the go. This tutorial will take you through the basic operations of the app. Let's get started. When you first launch MxApprove, you will be prompted to enter your IBM Maximo credentials. Start by pressing the settings icon in the right corner of the header bar. This will launch the settings screen. On the settings screen, you will be prompted for your IBM Maximo URL, username, and password. Start by entering the URL. Note that you can simply enter the domain name in this field if you are not using SSL or you are using non-standard HTTP ports. Otherwise, please fill in the entire address. Supply your IBM Maximo username and supply your password. If your environment connects to Active Directory over LDAP, toggle the application server security switch, press Update Settings, and you're ready to go. If you have workflow assignments in your inbox, it's time to act. Each assignment will show in a card-style layout in your list. At the top of the card, you will see which type of record you are assigned, and in the middle of the card are general details about the assignment. At the bottom of the card are actions you can take against each assignment. Sometimes your list of assignments can get long. You can filter the list by clicking the filter icon in the left corner of the header bar. This will launch the filter screen. You can filter for a specific type of record by typing in the record type field and pressing the Update Filter button. In this example, we have filtered for only your work order assignments. You'll notice that if you have a filter applied, you will see that text directly below the header bar. To clear the filter, click the filter button again to launch the filter screen and press the Clear Filter button. Then press the X at the top to return to the assignment list. To refresh your list of assignments, swipe down on the screen and hold the swipe until the Pull to Refresh arrow points upward. Let go, and the screen will refresh with the latest assignments. Let's look at the action buttons available on each assignment. On the left, the elliptical icon allows you to view more details about the record. The resulting record details screen contains a different set of information based upon the type of record that you're viewing. In this case, we're viewing details about a purchase requisition. You'll notice at the bottom of the page that the action buttons for this assignment are also available. You can swipe left and right on the record details screen to view details about the next assignment in the list. Swiping left in this case takes us to a work order. Notice that the information on this screen is different than the previous, as we are looking at a different record type. If you swipe too far, MxApprove will alert you that you are on the first or last record in the list. Pressing the X at the top returns us to the assignment list. Now, let's look at the green checkmark icon. This is used to accept an assignment. Pressing that button takes you to the Accept Task Assignment screen. Here, the Accept Assignment instruction is shown, and you have the option to add a memo if you'd like. Pressing the Accept Task button will complete the workflow assignment and alert you when complete. Pressing the OK button will return you to your assignment list. Notice how the purchase requisition that we approved is no longer in the list. Next, we'll click the person icon in the action bar for an assignment. This will launch the Reassign Task Assignment screen. The first field on the screen is for the person you want to reassign the task to. Press in the field to launch the autocomplete window, which will allow you to search for people by first or last name. Type in characters and MxApprove will filter for people. Once you've found the person you want to reassign the task to, press their name. You will then have the option to enter a memo to the user. When you press the Reassign Task button, the task will be reassigned and alert you when complete. Press the OK button to return to your assignment list. If you have no more assignments in your inbox, congratulations! The last icon on the action bar is the red X. This is used to reject an assignment. Pressing that button takes you to the Reject Assignment Task screen. Here, the Reject Assignment instruction is shown, and you have the option to add a memo if you'd like. Pressing the Reject Task button will complete the workflow assignment and alert you when complete. Pressing the OK button will return you to your assignment list. That's it for now. If you have any questions, you can email support@a3jgroup.com with questions or problems.